All right, the next one, since we're in the weird portion of the show, the next one, I don't even know how to present it. It is a nap time pillow / blanket / stuffed creature.
Okay.
Is it Pokemon? I don't know anything.
It is a Pokemon.
Okay, so it's called Gengar?
Gengar.
Or
That's
Gengar.
a Pokemon. Gengar.
Gengar is a Pokemon. Okay. I guess, what does he like to do? Eat a lot or open his mouth and stick his tongue out? What does he like to do?
I would believe so. He has a big mouth.
Okay, so what you're supposed to do, you get this giant plushie thing and you stick your head inside of his mouth when you want to take a nap.
Oh.
And you lay down because his tongue is a soft surface that you can lay down on.
Yeah.
If you scroll down, you'll see other ways in which you can shove your head into his. You see that? And it's dark inside of there, so you catch a quick nap.
Okay, see, that makes more sense than the one that...
Could you nap like that, Will?
Just-
Can you nap like that? With your
well, the
head
idea is
inside
there,
a
right?
Gengar.
Inside a Gengar? Yeah, sure. I don't mind.
Wow. Well, you know what? You can't because these are already sold out.
Oh.
Because Pokemon is so hot right now. This crazy Gengar sleeping head thing,
Okay.
pre-orders sold out in less than 2 hours.
How much was it?
$250.
Oh, okay.
Even though it's not going to ship until June 2021, which I don't know why that is, but Pokemon is hot right now, including giant Pokemon where you stick your head in their mouth for
Yeah.
sleep time.